Hello seniors, I'm Arya, your digital daughter, and I am here to show you how to use this music feature in UnlockLife Library to discover a huge collection of music that seniors love. Open the UnlockLife app and tap on the library option on the right. Now tap on music and tap on any of our pages like Unlock Morning Melodies. Each page is a playlist, which means that there are several songs that will play automatically one after the other for hours. So just play, listen and enjoy. If you want to see the list of all songs in the playlist, then tap on the icon on top right, which has 3 lines with a small triangle. This icon is for playlist. By tapping on it, you will be able to see the full list of songs which is part of the playlist. For example, in this playlist, Unlock Morning Melodies, there are 43 songs. Let's see another playlist. Tap on Go Back and select some other page. This playlist, as you can see, has about 56 songs. So, from energetic morning music to soothing melodies, we have a playlist for every mood. We think you will love it. Do try it out and tell us what you think. To download our app, click on the link in the description below. You can also call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411 if you need assistance. Thank you for trusting us. See you again soon.